What's up guys, in this series of video tutorials we will be learning Python programming. In this series we will be covering everything from the basics to things like various data structures, conditionals, loops and the Python standard library. I hope you all are excited for this and let's get started. In order to get started with Python, we will first need to download and install Python on our machines. Now, if you are running on a Linux or Mac-based system, you should probably already have Python 3 installed. In order to check this, you can simply type Python 3 space hyphen hyphen version on your terminal. As you can see, Python 3.8.2 is pre-installed on my Ubuntu subsystem. If you are running Windows, you can simply download the executable from this link here and just run the executable and make sure that you check this add python 3.8 to path and hit on install now. Now this installation will take some time guys, so we'll skip the installation and be right back after the install is complete. Alright, so now that our installation is complete, we can simply fire up our CMD and depending on which build of Windows 10 we are running, we can either type the py command or the python 3 command to launch our Python shell. Now what exactly is a Python shell? A Python shell comprises of an interpreter that allows you to run single line Python commands. For example, we can simply print like and subscribe. Now you might want to create Python files containing many lines of Python code or create projects containing many Python as well as non-Python files. For those purposes, you can simply use an IDE like PyCharm or try something simpler like Visual Studio Code. Let me bring up Visual Studio Code here. The advantage to using something like Visual Studio Code is I do not have to type in any commands anymore. I can simply hit the run button here and the code is executed. Also, Visual Studio Code provides few benefits like IntelliSense and auto completion, and make sure that if you are using Visual Studio Code, you install this Python extension here. That's all for this video guys. I hope you liked it and I will see you in the next video.